It's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and this month we're talking about practice. How to practice. What is practice, and how do we practice so that we can get better at something? Practice is one of those things that I say I don't do very much of, and I really don't. It's something that people say, I play for 2 hours a day. That's fine, but practice, which is for me, finding the thing that is tripping you up and pinpointing the specific thing that is causing you trouble and doing an exercise to get past that specific thing. That's my definition of, not of practice, but of effective practice that gets you moving. Oftentimes, what we do when we practice, if I'm playing Shostakovich's Second Waltz, is I just play the song, and then I get to a section where I have some trouble, and I either skip it, or I read the technique to make sure I have it, I read the correct notes, and then I go on to the next song. And that might take me 15 minutes, it might take me an hour, but this is not a useful way of improving on that technique. Whether it's making pizza or doing a throw in judo or playing accordion, the three things that I kind of I'm improving in, that is not effective practice. I'll give you an example that's happening in my life right now. I'm looking to play Saria's theme from the video game Zelda. There's a section in the song that goes like this. I could do it on the accordion. I don't need to practice the song on the accordion. What I'd like to do is to play the song on recorder. I know the parts of the song. I know 75% of the song, and I could play it quickly. Etc. But that part, that time it wasn't so bad, but that's about as quickly as I can play it. And I want to play it at a faster tempo. That's my practice. What should I do with my time? If I have 5 minutes today, am I just going to play the part that I know? No, that is nice, it feels good, but that is not what I should be doing. I'm going to concentrate on the part where I trip, where I slow down, where my fingers get jumbled, where I'm not producing noise. And again, this is directly applicable to the accordion as well. So, just that part. I'm not going to practice the entire scale right now. I want to make sure that my fingers know how to do that. D, C, F, E. I'm taking those notes and pulling them out of the song. If I have a broken engine, if there's a piece of something that's broken, I'm taking it out and now I'm examining it deeply. Do I know my fingering? That's what it looks like. D, C, F, E. I'm stomping my foot. If you have a metronome, set it to a speed, not your target speed, a slow practice speed. Wonderful, wonderful. That's about 10 to 15 seconds of real practice at a time. If my goal is 10 to 15 minutes today, which is beyond what I'm going to do, I'm aiming for about 3 minutes of practice in 30-second sections. Again, I could play other parts of the song, but the parts that I need to do, that I need to practice, is about 30 seconds worth of immense concentration. It's not exciting. It's not interesting. It's separating that mechanical movement. For your accordion practice, if you're practicing Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah, and the jump between I heard there was a secret chord, the jump between C and A minor let's say you stumble. That's where you stumble, or whatever it is. Your practice then is to not play Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. Your practice is to sit with C to A minor. And if you stumble, that's okay. I want you to pull that apart and say, I need to practice my left hand bass jumps. Do I know my C to D minor? Right? I'm not going to do the full jump. I'm just going to do a C to D minor. Good. If I could do that 5 times without looking, while talking and moving my right hand, that's when I can move ba 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 ba. I got it. I'm not going to keep playing Hallelujah. I'm just going to try and nail that 5 times. We got it. 3rd time, oh, I missed my C. Restart, resituate myself. It's practice that's not meant to be seen, but that's what I want you to do this month for the monthly challenge. I want you to share with our Accordion Love group, our Accordion Love students, what it is that you are stumbling with. Could be the right hand blues technique, etc. And then really concentrating and doing it ultra slow. Again, if I'm doing whatever it is, I'm not doing the entire bass technique. I want you to show your walkthrough of the C, E, G, A, B flat. That's where I'm stumbling. A, B flat, A, B flat, A, B flat, etc. And it's figuring that part out. That's what I'd like for you to show. It might take more than one video. I'll show you after this video my practice over the last few days of practicing that technique. And I hope by the end of the month I'll have the song ready. But again, this is what practice looks like. It's hyper-focused on a very specific part. It could be a fingering technique. It could be just putting your hand in and out, hitting that C major without looking. Depends where you are in your accordion journey. Could be phrasing of a song. Could be practicing volume, dynamics, etc. That's what I want you to show to us Accordion Love students on the Accordion Love forum. As a reminder, do this 6 times in a year and I'll send you Accordion Love merchandise. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. I need to practice that part.